A castle in the sky. Understanding idiomatic expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, a castle in the air. This expression is a wonderful example of how English uses imagery to convey complex ideas. So, if you're ready to boost your understanding and spice up your English vocabulary, stay tuned. The phrase, a castle in the air, refers to dreams, hopes, or plans that are impractical, unrealistic, or impossible to achieve. It paints a picture of building a castle, not on solid ground, but up in the sky, a task that, in reality, cannot be accomplished. This expression highlights the beauty and fragility of human aspirations that lack a firm foundation in reality. Tracing back to its origins, a castle in the air has been used in English literature for centuries. It's similar to another phrase, building castles in Spain, which has a similar meaning. These expressions remind us that the concept of unreachable dreams is a common human theme, transcending cultures and time periods. To help you understand how to use a castle in the air in conversation or writing, let's look at some examples. He has grand plans for his future, but I'm afraid they're all just castles in the air. Her dream of moving to Mars is, at this point, a castle in the air. These sentences showcase how the phrase can be used to gently point out the impracticality of someone's dreams or plans. Learning idiomatic expressions like, a castle in the air, is crucial for English language learners. These phrases enrich your vocabulary, making your communication more vivid and expressive. They also offer insights into the cultural and historical contexts of the language, helping you understand English speakers better. We hope this exploration of a castle in the air has been enlightening and enjoyable. Idiomatic expressions are a key part of mastering the English language, adding color and depth to our conversations. Remember, learning a new language is a journey, filled with its own castles in the air. Keep dreaming big, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into English language learning. See you in the next video.